Hello, dear traders. You are watching economic news on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. Throughout the whole last week, the US dollar index demonstrated broad weakness. The market was in the release of the Fed's post-meeting statement. The focus was preliminary on the regulator's outlook for the US economy rather than on interest rates. However, despite the optimism of the Federal Open Market Committee's members, the US dollar extended losses versus a basket of major currencies. In early deals on Monday, the US dollar index is trading at 92.96. According to currency strategists, the downtrend has been fueled by the downbeat US fundamentals released on Friday. The figures showed that the April Chicago Purchasing Managers Index missed expectations, indicating the current weakness in the country's economic activity. A number of other macroeconomic indicators lodged a decline as well. For example, initial estimates suggest that US gross domestic product increased by just 0.5% during the first quarter, down from 1.4% in the previous reporting period. Analysts had anticipated a 0.7% gain. This report gave the market a hint that the current economic situation in the United States is rather unstable. Now, investors are ever more convinced that the Fed will not opt for tightening its monetary policy anytime soon. At the same time, the news offered support the safe haven currencies that are presently extending their lead over the greenback. The US dollar Japanese yen pair trading around the level of 106.39 today. In addition to the weaker US dollar, the Japanese currency was also aided by the release of the country's latest manufacturing PMI. Official figures indicate that Japan's final Purchasing Managers Index for the manufacturing sector climbed to 48.2 basis points in April 2016 from 48 in March. Economists had expected the factory activity gauge to remain at the March levels. The price action of the Chinese yuan appears to be similar to the movement of the Japanese yen, even though the Chinese economy continues to disappoint the markets. China's official manufacturing PMI ticked marginally lower to 50.1 in April from 50.2 in March. However, growth in the domestic manufacturing industry remained on a solid footing thanks to a recovery observed in the housing sector. Today, market players are looking ahead to a fresh ISM manufacturing PMI survey from the United States, which could change the trajectory of the American currency. Stay tuned to our news releases on ИнстаФорекс TV to find out whether the dollar actually manages to reverse its course.